Welcome to another episode on the channel. So today is the 13th of December 2023. It's about 12:30 p.m. and I'm actually telling you the date because I don't know when you guys are going to see this vlog. Honestly, it might be sometime in February, it might be in March, I do not know, but at this point in time I'm mentally not in a space to be putting out videos because I just feel like I'm not ready. So a lot has happened which I'm going to be telling you people about, but for now this video is just basically a video about my locks journey. So of recent I got my hair locked, so you can see. So today is going to be my first retie. I got my hair locked about 8 weeks ago, which was 2 months ago. And guys, honestly, fun fact, for the last 2 months I've not washed my hair. Yeah, but whatever, it's not smelling or anything, but I've not washed my hair for 2 months, and that's basically just part of the locking process because you have to know the kind of hair you have for you to know what works best. For my kind of hair, because if I started washing like frequently or maybe like twice a month, it would have maybe unraveled, because even some of my locks got unraveled because of my hair texture. However, it's more or less like, okay, today is the D-Day and I'm going to get my hair retied. And guys, so far so good. I'm not regretting anything on this locks journey because I will show you a very more detailed up close video. So this is just what my hair is looking like now, you can see, but I'll show you something like better in another clip. But yes guys, I'm really excited on this journey, and it's been, I don't know, I would say it's been fun because fine, I've not had the courage to like open my hair outside. I won't say courage, but just like mentally I'm not ready because of maybe certain factors which I think I showed due to my like frontal my thinning edges. Yes, I have like a lot of thin edges, so I'm trying to like make them like grow out by applying essential oil and just basically leaving them alone. So for this past 8 weeks, my locks routine has been very simple, nothing major. So when I first got my locks installed, I was like, oh, really touchy about it. Maybe every night if I go to bed, I'll make like tiny little bantu knots. But after about like a month, I just had to like leave it on a free fall. So the thing about it, like when I got my hair locked, it was like kind of long, but since I just left it free fall, I've experienced like a lot of shrinkage. My hair has really shrunk a lot as opposed to it like falling down as it ought to like fall. But guys, I'm not even wrestling with it or anything. So my routine is quite simple. So like every 2 days I spray water mixed with my essential oils in the hair. I'll be on my spray water mixed with essential oil on my hair. Then after that, so it's just like my hair like drinks up all the water. Then after that I just rub my essential oil on my scalp and on my locks itself, and that's just been my routine for this past 8 weeks. And honestly, for me, I just feel like it's quite simple and it's easy to do. So but going forward, after this my first retie, I'm going to start applying certain locks principles which I'll be sharing with you as this video progress. I'm actually really running late now, so I just thought to do like a quick intro, so the vlog just does not start from the parts that you might likely not understand. Okay guys, so that's it, and I'll carry you guys along on this first retie day. So see you guys in a bit. Oh yes, for I think for the records I didn't mention, so my loctician is basically my cousin. She knows how to make hair real good, and not like she's a perfect loctician or anything, but she has like knowledge of locks. So I myself, I did like personal research to add to our own already existing knowledge, so we can actually get these desired results, the numbers, the grid lines and everything. So I'm not going to a professional loctician. Everything this lock journey is basically my own personal knowledge, what I'm learning along the way, my cousin's knowledge, and let's just see how the lock turns out. Well guys, so far so good. I do not have any regrets. Honestly, I do not have any regrets. I'm letting my locks do their thing. I'm enjoying this stage of my locks, and hopefully in a year or 2 years I will come back and I will show you people a before of my locks with thinning edges and an after of my locks looking really good and my edges back. So guys, that's it. I will carry you guys along. Ciao.